one-page checkout for PrestaShop. PrestaShop's own checkout splits the purchase into 4 separate steps, one after another. One-page checkout brings the whole thing onto a single page. The customer types their email and their name and ticks the consents. Their name is already there in the delivery address, with nothing typed twice. Now the address: street, postcode, town, and phone. Every field saves itself as they type. As soon as there is an address, the carriers show up with their prices and their delivery times. And below them, the shop's payment methods. One button closes the order. No reloads, no steps backwards, and the order summary in view the whole time. The same checkout, 4 layouts. Vertical, every section on show, one under the other. Step by step shows one section at a time and moves on when it is done. In columns, contact, shipping, and payment sit side by side across the screen. In the classic Shopify version, the cart stays pinned on the right. And the V2 variant brings the same sections into a tighter screen. The cart does not have to be a separate page either. It opens as a panel over the shop, and the customer sees what they have without leaving the page they were on. They keep browsing, add another product, bump a quantity, and the total redoes itself right there, shipping included. And when they are ready, they go straight to the checkout. And all of this is adjustable. Sign up, addresses, shipping, cart, theme, side cart, over 130 settings spread across the panels, what gets shown and how it looks, so the checkout fits your business instead of your business fitting the checkout. And down to the last detail, which fields are asked for, which are required, and which never show at all. Missing a feature? We build it. Tell us what you need.